Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout button in Squarespace. This is a great way to make your store's checkout process match your brand's aesthetic and stand out to customers. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your websites are displayed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to customize the checkout button. This will open up the main editing interface for that particular site. Now, once you're inside, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Custom Code. This is where Squarespace allows you to add personalized styling and functionality to your site. Within the Custom Code section, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Go ahead and click on that. CSS is the language that controls how elements on your website look. So this is exactly where we need to be to modify the checkout button's appearance. At this point, I have the code ready for you. Feel free to pause the video right here to copy it down. The most important part of this code is the selector that says .cart-checkout followed by an asterisk. This specific line is what calls and targets the checkout button, allowing us to apply custom styles directly to it. Without this selector, the changes wouldn't take effect on the button. Now let's take that code and paste it into the custom CSS field. Once it's pasted in, you'll notice the code includes several styling properties. You can customize the background color to match your brand palette, change the font color so it's easily readable, adjust the border radius to make the button more rounded or sharp, and modify the font size to ensure it's prominent enough for users to notice. And that's just the beginning. You can add even more styling properties if you want to get creative, such as adding shadows, hover effects, or padding adjustments. Once you're satisfied with all the customizations you've made, click Save. This ensures that all your changes are applied and will be visible to visitors on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Squarespace checkout button to better reflect your brand and improve the shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.